Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about a new JavaScript program where we will be using only variables. See, first of all, what is meant by variable? A variable is a container which will store a data. See, the data can be in a form of text, a number, or anything like a true or false, anything which will be come under variables. So, how many types of variables are there? See, there are three types of variables, that is let and constant const and var variable. In this, var is an old model variable which we will be not using very much in the programming nowadays. We'll be using only let and constant, wherein high level programmings like a senior level will be using only constant, but let also will be using. So these two are very important. Uh, Today I have written and I will explain a JavaScript program using only variables. Previously, we have discussed about the JavaScript program using arithmetic. Today, we will be using only variables. See, uh, this is the structure of HTML. And previously, we have discussed about the function. What is function and what are the CSS we'll be using. We have discussed previously. And today, we'll be discussing what are the variables and how we can use the variables in the JavaScript program. Here uh, written the CSS same as previous type, two labels, and I have written the format as input type, which is text and name. Previously, we have written the input type as numbers. We have now written as text and name. And if we written another, it will not take as uh, input. So we'll be using this input in the label. We have previously discussed what are the functions and uh, how we can use the labels in the previous. And today also we'll be discussing the same topic. What are the functions? A function is a block of code that runs when you call it, and we can be using uh, anytime in middle of a program. And here we have written the function as show variable. So this is the function in this program. And when here, as previously, we have mentioned two labels and text and name and number and age. And when we click on the show variables, the function starts here. See here, the functions is let the user age, country, and student. As we discussed, a variable is a type of a box which can uh, keep the data in it, whether it's an input, text, or whatever. So by using that, we can prepare this type of programs where we can use the variable to keep the name, age, and country and student. So we can know whether it is a true or false by checking in our data. So this is very beginner friendly program where you can learn it. And an advanced program will continue in another class. So the output of the program is, see here, when I type my name and age as, and when I click on show variables, Result is there is 24, country India, and student is true. So this is the output, and here we can check the console also. Let me inspect. See, see here. Here you will be seeing what are the uh, what are the program we used, and source also we can be check in the console, and the elements in the inspect. So here console here means it is used as output in JavaScript. Here it will show that output of the program in the website. Without the program, we can check the output when we inspect in the console. So this is the today's class. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment. Thank you.